picture this. It's the late 1800s, and this beautiful property behind me is the first stagecoach in all of Hondo. This property is known to be the oldest residence in this town. How cool is that? You see that tower room? That's where they would have meetings. Now it's a bedroom. I can't wait to show you the inside. Everything's been redone, from spray foam insulation to the electrical, plumbing. Everything has been redone on this house, keeping the historical beauty at the same time. Come inside and take a look. So when you walk in here, one of the first things that you will notice is the detail in the woodwork staircase. It's so gorgeous. As I said, everything has been restored. The wood floors are just beautiful. So you walk into this foyer area. To the right is the living area. Soaring ceilings. The detail on the ceilings is beautiful. Natural light. Large opening to the dining room. Again, the detail. Kitchen might be my favorite room in the house with the exposed brick. Tons of cabinetry. Have a little desk area, another little breakfast area. Check out the ceiling in here as well. These are cement countertops. Here you have a sunroom area, and you have a master downstairs. Huge master bedroom. I love all the detail of these little windows above the doors. And the master bath definitely does not disappoint. The way that they redid it really flows with the house. Large tub, shower. Again, the ceiling detail's beautiful. Double vanity. And there's one more room downstairs. This could be an office, a nursery. There's so much that this could be. And this leads out to the foyer as well. Now let me show you upstairs real quick. So I want to show you the tower room where the meetings were held. It's so neat. And I want to give you a look at the foyer from up here. And the detail in the wood is so pretty. So you come up here into this hallway and you find another full bathroom. Completely redone. There's the tower room where you would walk down this hallway. Here's another room, another bedroom. The tower room, so cool. Make an awesome kids room, craft room. So thank goodness, laundry has been upgraded since the late 1800s. You guys are in for a surprise here. I mean, I would not mind doing laundry at all in this laundry room. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So there's a 2-car carport, and the backyard is amazing. Corner lot, huge mature trees. This space back here could really be anything. It's so neat. They are just using it for storage right now, but I could see it being so many things. Electrical's already run for a pool back here. There's a sprinkler system. And check out this entertaining area. The metal roof is gorgeous as well. So peaceful back here.